Hi, this video is going to be on blank verse. Blank verse is used by many of the characters in Romeo and Juliet. It's a poetic form that is made up of unrhymed lines of iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter uses one unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable, and you can hear that when you read it aloud. A pair of star-crossed lovers take their life. So these red highlighted syllables are the stressed ones. As well as using blank verse, Romeo and Juliet also has 3 sonnets in it. So a sonnet is a 14-line rhyming poem that uses, for the first 3 stanzas, an A-B-A-B rhyme scheme and then finishes on a rhyming couplet. So because they are so audibly distinctive, when a character reads them, you can really hear a difference because of their rhymes. They really draw attention to what the character is saying, and also because sonnets are typically about love, they really highlight the theme of love in the poem. Thanks for listening.